A man lends rupees 10,000 in 4 parts. If he gets 8% on rupees 2,000, 7.5% on rupees 4,000, and 8.5% on rupees 1,400, what percent must he get for the remainder if the average interest is 8.13%? So this person here has a total amount of 10,000 rupees with him. Now he lends this amount to, let's say, 4 people. The first one, he lends an amount of 2,000 rupees. The second one, he lends an amount of 4,000 rupees. The third one is 1,400 rupees, and the fourth one is, let's say, X rupees. Now on the first one, he is getting an interest of 8% per annum. The second one, he is getting an interest of 7.5% per annum. The third one, he is getting an interest of 8.5% per annum. And we have to find out what is the rate percent for the fourth amount. So let's say this is Y percent per annum. Now we have been given that the average interest is 8.13%. So what this means is that if you find out 8% of 2,000 in terms of rupees, then you find out 7.5% of 4,000 rupees, then you find out 8.5% of 1,400 rupees, and Y percent of X. So all these four amount, which is the interest on each of these four, if you add it up and then express that as a percentage of 10,000 rupees, then it will be equal to 8.13%. So in other terms, overall, the rate of interest on 10,000 rupees is 8.13%. Now here we have to be very careful that we are taking a time frame of 1 year for all these calculations. So let's find out what does this overall interest amount to. So overall interest is 8.13% of 10,000 rupees, because this is expressed in terms of 1 year. Simple interest would be equal to PRT by 100, but this is 1. So here simple interest is equal to principal, which is 10,000, multiplied by the rate, which is 8.13, divided by 100. Of course you would do multiply by 1 because this is the time frame. So we can cancel these two zeros. So 8.13 multiplied by 100, so this becomes 813. So overall, the interest gained out of all these four transactions is rupees 813. What this means is that the total of interest for each of these is 813. Now let's find out what is this X. So X should be equal to 10,000 minus 2,000, which is 8,000, minus 4,000, which is again 4,000, minus 1,400, which is 2,600. So here X is equal to 2,600 rupees. So now the simple interest for all these four should be equal to 813 rupees. So let's use that equation to find out this Y percent here. So simple interest 1 plus simple interest 2 plus simple interest 3 plus simple interest 4 is equal to 813. So in the first case it is principal, which is 2000, multiplied by the rate, which is 8, divided by 100, plus second case it is 4000 multiplied by the rate, which is 7.5, divided by 100, plus 1400 multiplied by the rate, which is 8.5, divided by 100, plus 2600 multiplied by y divided by 100, and all of this is equal to 813. So let's take the LCM as 100. Now 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, so 16,000 plus 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 7 4s are 28, 29 and 30. Now this is one decimal, so it will be decimal will be here, and then we'll add 1 2 and 3 zeros, so 1 2 and 3 zeros. So I hope you understood what I did. Basically it was 300, that is 75 multiplied by 4 is 300, but there was one decimal here, so I thought that okay, there's one decimal here, I assumed there's a decimal here, so it became 30 instead of 300. Now there were 3 zeros to be added, so I took this as the first zero, second zero, and then the third zero, plus 14 multiplied by 8.5, so 14 multiplied by 5 is 70, so we'll put 1 0, 7 carry over, 14 8s are 112, plus 7, which is 119, so this becomes 119. Now there's one decimal point here, so there's one decimal point here, but there are 2 zeros, so let's take this as 1 0 and the second 0, plus 2600y is equal to 813. So let's add these three numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0 plus 0, this is 9, 1 plus 0 plus 6, which is 7, and 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus 1 5, plus 2600y is equal to 81300. So let's use this space to further calculate. So let's have 2600y on one side, and let's bring 57900 on the other side. So 2600y is equal to, so this is where we have to subtract 81300 minus 57900. So 81300 minus 57900, 0 0 0 1 9, 13 minus 9 is 4, let's take this as 7, carry over, so 10 minus 7 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 23400, 23400. So y is equal to 23400 divided by 2600. These two zeros get cancelled. Both are divisible by 2. So this becomes 13 and this becomes 1. Then 2 1s are 2 again. 1 carry over. 2 7s are 14. And 13 9s are 117. So y is equal to 9. So the question was, what percent must he get for the remainder? So the answer is 9% per annum.